What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be restoring the front and rear window trim on the Fox Body Mustang. I got it all out. Previous videos I did the back window, and last night I went ahead and pulled out the front window trim and didn't worry about making a video on it because it's nearly the same process except for the lowers. You just gotta slide it. You gotta pop out the side trim piece, and then you slide your plastic pry tool up underneath it and pop it straight up. That comes right out. A lot of people say they can only get these out with breaking them. That's not true. You just gotta be very careful with it. So the first thing I like to do is get you some quality brake cleaner, wipe everything down, get all of the dirt and grime and grease off of there. Now that everything's degreased, we'll come in with a Scotch-Brite, scuff everything down. I got everything scuffed down. I didn't video any of that because nobody wants to watch you on YouTube just scuffing trim, you know what I mean? Now that we got it all scuffed down, I'm gonna take and wipe it down with brake cleaner again, get it cleaned up, and then I'll take and use the air compressor, blow off all the cardboard and everything, make sure that there's nothing down there, wipe it off, and we'll get to painting. Alright guys, so there's the setup. This is a new wiper cowl. I got it from LMR. I'm going to wipe that one down with some rubbing alcohol. I ran out of brake cleaner, so I'm going to use the rubbing alcohol, wipe it down, get this dried out a little bit. I don't want to scuff it down because I don't want to take a chance on scuffing anything like too bad or messing up the lines or like, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to take and wipe it down, some rubbing alcohol, throw a very light coat of high build primer on top of everything. That way there's something better for the paint to tack to also. And then I'll shoot some paint on it. Alright guys, all that paint's laid down on there. Came out really nice. Looks real nice. Now, I'm going to put a clear coat over top of it. That way it's protected. That's what I got. I got it from O'Reilly's. It's pretty expensive. It was like 30 bucks. But there's this little piece on the top here, and you gotta pull this out of the cap, and you punch it into the bottom. Once you punch it, it's good for like a day. Some people say 2 or 3 days, but I want to take and use that and coat all of the trim at the same time, because who knows how long it'll last or what I'll get to next. So I wanted to make sure I got all of this trim here done before that. seized up on me. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I got some stuff to buff out. This right here, I thought I sanded it down better than I did, but that's gonna be underneath the wiper cowl, so you won't see it. But I got some buffing to do on it, to clean it up a bit. But overall, like, that's like a freaking professional clear coat finish right there. That stuff's awesome. And it's got some orange peel, but there's nothing you can do about it. Everything has orange peel. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could probably wet sand it, but I'm not going to take a chance on messing it up or something, you know. It's too small of a piece to actually want to just wet sand it like that. Big reveal. Got the wiper caps, motorsport banner. The trim came out awesome. Looks amazing. And now I already tore the car apart again. That way I can do side trim. That way it looks good too. The rest of the little panels and stuff for upstairs, I already painted and clear coated them. I think it looks awesome. Y'all comment down below. Tell me what you think. Alright guys, here's the products I've been using. I'll try to link a picture right here in the corner of the primer I used to dust it first. But I ran out and just tossed that can last night. But there's the products right there. This clear coat is pretty expensive. It's like 30 bucks from O'Reilly's, but it's well worth it. All you do is just take this little punch right here when you're ready to use it. Take it out, pop it right there, pop it down on there, shake it up for a few minutes, and it's like awesome stuff. So I definitely recommend that. I'll definitely buy it again. I like it a lot. And then the bumper coater, just put you a nice coat or two on there, just so everything's covered good, dust it again, then you can hit it with the clear coat. Alright guys, so that's going to cover everything for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.